Cats are among the most popular pets around the world. They are independent, lovable, and full of energy. But taking care of a cat is not just about feeding and petting. Some of our behaviors, even if unintentional, can harm a cat's physical and mental health. In this video, we will look at 6 things you should never do when keeping a cat. Remember, cats are like family members and need attention and respect. Even a small mistake can have a big impact on their quality of life. So if you want to have a healthy and long-lasting relationship with your cat, take these points seriously. Number 1. Ignoring the litter box. One of the most important needs of a cat is a clean litter box. If the litter box is not cleaned regularly, the cat becomes stressed and may even choose another place to relieve itself. In addition, a dirty environment can cause infectious diseases. Cats are very clean animals, and if their environment is dirty, they don't feel secure. Cleaning the litter box daily not only keeps the home hygienic, but also makes your cat calmer and happier. It is even recommended to have a separate litter box for each cat. Number 2. Improper diet. Feeding cats human food such as bones, onions, chocolate, or fatty foods is extremely dangerous. These items can cause poisoning or digestive problems. Cats need a special diet that includes enough protein and balanced nutrition. Many cat owners think giving leftovers is economical, but in reality this can lead to expensive veterinary bills. The best option is to use dry or wet cat food that provides all the nutrients they need. Also, always make sure fresh water is available. Number 3. Neglecting play and exercise. Cats may look calm, but they need plenty of play and activity. Without opportunities to play, they may become overweight, depressed, or develop destructive behaviors like scratching furniture. A few simple toys or even a cardboard box can keep them entertained for hours. Playing is not just for fun, it helps strengthen muscles, reduce stress, and boost your cat's confidence. Even 15 minutes of active play a day can make a huge difference in their physical and mental health. So spending time on play is an essential part of daily care. Number 4. Physical punishment or yelling. You should never hit a cat or shout at it. This does not teach them anything. It only causes fear, distrust, and aggression. The best way to train is through encouragement and positive reinforcement. Cats associate their behavior with positive or negative experiences. If you punish them, they only learn to fear you, not to correct their mistake. Instead, when they do something right, reward them with petting or a small treat. This method builds a healthy relationship full of trust. Number 5. Ignoring veterinary care. Some owners think cats are tough animals and don't need checkups. But vaccinations, regular examinations, and timely treatment of illnesses are vital for a cat's health. Ignoring this can have serious consequences. Many cat diseases show no symptoms in the early stages, and only a vet can detect them. Regular visits to the vet not only prevent dangerous diseases, but also increase your cat's lifespan. So never forget the annual checkup. Number 6. Disregarding a cat's personal boundaries. Cats are independent creatures and don't always like to be held or petted for long periods. If we force them into our arms, they become stressed and may even react aggressively. Respecting a cat's boundaries creates a healthier and closer relationship. Every cat has its own personality. Some love petting, while others only accept it occasionally. Learning to read your cat's body language, such as tail or ear movements, helps you understand when they are comfortable and when they need space. This respect multiplies their trust in you. Keeping a cat is a sweet and calming experience, but it requires awareness and responsibility. By avoiding these 6 mistakes, we can create a healthy and happy environment for our cats. Remember, cats are not just pets, they are companions in our lives. The more we understand their needs, the deeper and more loving our relationship will be. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate your support with a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about pets.